Yeah, Party Pirate 102.1. I could probably do 2 hours of Bob Seger, but I don't want to today because on the phone with me is Miss Constance Hilton. How are you doing today?
Hey, man, I'm good. How are you?
Doing good, baby, doing good. I'm just checking my levels here. Now, we do our local artist hour because I love supporting our local music. And two of the songs that we're going to be playing is from the Blueberry Patch, right?
That's correct.
And I'm trying to remember, just recently, I don't remember if it was, somebody else was telling me about the Blueberry Patch, and I didn't know anything about it. I think it was Ken from Just in Theory, or it could have been Ken Peterson. It may have been. I don't remember. But, yeah, I had never heard of it.
Peterson.
Do you? Okay, that was probably Ken Peterson. And I had never really heard of it before.
It's a great artist community. You really have to go. I suggest it to everybody, and especially to musicians who are just starting to get out there and showcase their stuff, trying to get their name out there. You're going to meet a lot of great people and musicians, and that's how I actually got started and got my confidence.
Just going for like an open jam like we have here at the Radio Bar and Grill.
Yeah, they have open mics 2 times a month. They have an open jam 1 time a month, and then at the end of the month they always have a band come in and just, play their music for the night, and they're featured. But it's just an awesome place, and the music is incredible.
Well, and it's really nice to know that there is other places, and I always knew there was, I just wasn't aware of where they were, but there is other places out there that also want to support the local musicians, especially originals, because originals are very, very hard to sell, for lack of a better term.
You're right.
So
there's a lot of places out there that if you don't know some covers and you're only playing originals, people are going to talk over you. I do appreciate the places like the Hideaway off Central. John Kelly runs that. It's all original music. You're not allowed to play covers in there, and people really do listen there.
Well, and where's that at? I'm not.
That's in St. Petersburg off Central Avenue.
Oh, okay.
It's called the Hideaway Cafe. A lot of great musicians play there. Rebecca Pulley's played there, Michael J. Weiss, oh gosh, I love Phil Trainer, Shelley Starks, I'm sorry. It's just a great place, and John runs a great, venue there, and he also has a recording studio that he records.
Cool. As we do it here at the Radio Bar and Grill. But how long have you been doing this now?
I've been a musician probably since I was 7, playing piano, inspired by my father and my oldest brother. When I moved to Florida, I would see all these people on the beach carrying their guitars, and sitting around in circles and singing, and I thought, I want to do that. But I couldn't bring my piano out to the beach.
Yeah, a little tough.
Around 30, I bought my first guitar and took 2 lessons, and I had a lot of friends who played, and they taught me. And after my 2 lessons, I just took off by myself and just kept going.
Cool. Now, and believe me, I am a gentleman, and I'm not about to ask you your age. Don't get me wrong.
Okay, then I won't give it, but my birthday is this month.
Oh, cool. Well, mine's coming, but not quite yet. And I'm going to be topping over the 50 mark, so don't feel bad. But, you've been playing since 7. You've been going since 30 with the guitar.
Mm-hmm.
Do you still play piano? Do you still want to go back and play, or you just gave up the piano, stayed with the guitar, and that's where you're at?
That's funny you say that. When I picked up the guitar, my oldest brother said, wow, you betrayed the piano, because it was just all guitar. But recently, 2 months ago, I actually found a stand-up piano in a thrift shop, and I bought it, and I love playing again, and I want to implement it into my new music now.
Well, and nowadays with modern technology, you don't have to lug a Steinway around.
No, you don't.
I mean, I've seen on TV, they've got the little mats, that plug into a computer, and it's a piano.
Yep, you can do that. And that'd be awesome. But I do tend to do most of my songwriting with the guitar.
Well, I used to play guitar, and I always have loved guitar. I was a child of the 70s, and you got your hair bands out there and everything, and it was always the greatest thing. I just don't know that I'm coordinated enough to play the piano. Guitar, you can get away with bar chords all day long. Piano...
And that's funny you say that. I can't play bar chords. So, I mean, I've tried, but my fingers just won't move that way or work that way. So I tend to, stick with major chords, but I can still write.
And now we're fixing to check out Down at the Corner.
Down at the Corner is actually the very first song I wrote on guitar.
And where is this recorded at?
It's recorded at the Chataway in St. Petersburg. I think it's off 4th and Central, I'm pretty sure. But I used to play there almost every weekend on Saturday nights. And this one nice gentleman was able to come out and video me, and it turned out to be a really great video.
All right, well, we're going to play it here. Down at the Corner, Miss Constance Hilton, who is our guest for Local Artist Hour here at the Party Pirate 102.1.
They're talking about me. I hear them whisper in their eyes. Tell me, but I don't know what I did. But I guess it was something big. I don't know, maybe it was something I said. But down at the corner, they're making up stories, using some big words they misunderstood. 'Cause I just heard them say, yeah, he's back in town.